coast. Then you have kind of the advisories surrounding that, and that does come down into southeast Kansas and northwest Oklahoma. Wind advisories for.
I don't know if it's going to get bad or not. I hope it don't. I can't drive or shit in this type of weather, so you know, if it does get bad, I'm shit out of luck. Hey, how's it feel to be snowed in on Chewy?
Not great.
We heard it here, folks. Not great. Dude's got moves.
See, this is snowing forever.
I know, right?
What up, Shell Shock?
And we're shocked. Hi, I'm Shell. This is my brother, Hayden. Dressed up as a tree. A chee. I mean, as you can tell, it's gonna be a little bit before we get out. This snow is freaking thick, dude. You know, I figured I'd get out here and attempt to take some pictures or fall and bust my ass, either one, you know. Real thick. You know, I'm out here hiking, trying to get some pictures. It's cold as shit. Oh shoot, I fell. Almost busted my ass, but you know, it doesn't matter really what I do. I always find myself coming to the same place to get me some pictures of this bus. It seems like I gotta take pictures of it all the time, but right now it looks pretty cool. I don't know if you could tell, it's probably too bright. I always find myself coming back to this old church bus. Just try to get it through the seasons. It's so cold I can't even talk. Try to get it through the seasons, you know. With this being this much snow, this is the most I've ever seen it covered, so it looks pretty freaking cool right now. That might make for a pretty good picture right there. If I could get it lined up perfectly. We'll see though. Let's just try it. I don't know. I feel like I've taken so many pictures of this thing already. But for the most part, it's pretty nice to look at. I really like it. Oh shoot. Now I'm scared to walk down this hill though. Oh man. Like I was wanting to play in the snow a few days ago, you know what I mean? I see everybody else playing, sledding, throwing snowballs and all that shit. And I'm just like, man, if I got out there, I'd probably be out for a week. It sucks getting old. But let's try to walk down this hill. It's not a steep hill, but that's steep enough. I kind of want to let y'all watch me walk down it, but you know what? I'll just keep it recording the whole time. That way if I drop, it'll make some pretty good content. Oh, I'm sliding. A lot of deer tracks out here. I seen a bunch of deer out here earlier. I was like, oh, those will make some pretty good pictures. But I'm too slow to get them. I made it down the hill. Wasn't too bad. But yeah, there it is. That might make for a pretty good picture too. Stuttering, I'm so cold. Let's get back inside. See if I can put something together on this. Just went a little crazy doing some bunch of photo burst. I'm gonna head back inside now. It's cold as shit out here and it's bright. Oh man, it's so bright. Yeah, let's get back inside. Let's try to edit some photos. Let's see how they turned out. Oh, that might make a pretty good photo. If you can see it. Pose with it.